Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to install Next.js on your computer. So why Next.js? It offers full stack capabilities, both front end and back end, so you don't need a separate server at all. And the other benefit is hybrid rendering that include server-side rendering. It's great for SEO and dynamic content. For SEO, pages are pre-rendered, HTML is generated in advance, and it also includes static site generation, fast loading static pages for speed and scale. Next one is incremental static regeneration, also known as ISR. Finally, client-side rendering. So to install this, first you have to install Node.js if you haven't installed it already. So you can just click on the button, get Node.js. It depends on your operating system. It can be Windows or Mac OS. In this case, mine is Mac OS running on M1 chip. So you just need to click on the button and install as usual. So to install Next.js, this is the command. So you open your code editor. The command is npx create next-app add latest. And here, after that, you can also give it a name as well. In this case, let me give it as only text. And we just need to answer some questions. So yes. And it also asks if you want to use TypeScript. Just press enter. And if you want to also use ESLint, yes. And Tailwind CSS, yes. And whether we want to have our code inside the SRC or source directory, just press no. And the app router is recommended, so yes. And next one is turbo pack, yes. And the last question is, it asks whether we want to import the alias, you can choose no. So now it tries to install these three dependencies and these following dev dependencies. Alright, after finished installation, we can now run this application. Now navigate to the folder, cd only tag. And to run this application, the command is npm run dev. So we can now open this link. Alright, so the Next.js is now running on your computer, on your machine. So the local host and the port is 3000, right? You can also change the text here as well. Now I open the project. So here, this is the page.tsx. Now let me change the text here. So let's say hello world. All right. And here it automatically reflects, and that's how you install Next.js on your local machine.